Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So recently ClickBank changed its site structure. Because of this, the main functionality of the CBomatic plugin, the ClickBank affiliate plugin, was not working anymore, and because of this I had to make an update for it to make it functional again. So keep an eye out for the plugins 1.1.0 version and 1.1.0 updates. So as you can see in its changelog, it is released today, and this latest version of the plugin will be working again with ClickBank. So let's check. The site's empty, and if we go ahead and import some products here, let's import 4 products, for example, for testing purposes, and you will see that this version will be functional again, as I managed to make it work with the latest changes from ClickBank. So importing is now running. After it is finished, we can go ahead and refresh this page. After the green tick will appear, we will be able to refresh the page and see the affiliate products imported from ClickBank to our site. So the green check mark appeared. Refresh here, and these are the imported products, and this is our affiliate link added to the ClickBank products. So this will be the same for all the products imported. Okay, so go ahead guys, be sure to update to the latest CBomatic plugin version to make it work again. This is just a heads up. All the users of CBomatic should update to version 1.1.0 or later, or newer versions if I will release newer versions soon. And I will link also the CBomatic plugin in this video's description for those of you guys who haven't had the chance to grab it yet. Also, currently a massive discount is running on Code Canyon, 50% off for many plugins. Check my portfolio for the discounts. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the like and subscribe button. Till next time, bye bye.